Our driveway has turned into a river. Debris everywhere. Oh, looks like a tree did come down here at Ethan's place. But it looks like he's okay. I'm still looking for cats. Littered with branches that have fallen. Oh man, my feet are all wet. Huh. Hope I don't have to seek shelter in my hurricane. Oh, here comes a gust. Fuck. Oh no. The ducks love this weather. A lot. A lot. Oh, fuck! Tree coming down. Shit. Oh, man. I gotta get back inside. A tree just came down over there. Huh? The tree over there.